Hi there, welcome back to Buy Now Sell Now. We are joining you live from the SBI Live Studios. Well, let's get back to all the queries then. We have a live caller, Vidya, joining us from Bangalore. Hi Vidya, very good morning. Please tell us which is the stock that you want want advice on.
Hi. Yeah.
Hi
I
Vidya,
would
please go
like to
ahead.
know, yeah, I would like to know the fundamental advice on Sirma SGS or CG Power or Moss-Chip Technologies. Could you let me know whether any of these are good stocks to invest for long term? And secondly, I have S Bank share purchased 2 years ago for 20 rupees. And is it good to hold for long term or should I exit now?
The view on CG Power and Yes Bank, but let me come to you for a tech check also, Ajit. What do you see? Like Sharmila mentioned, Yes Bank, perhaps the worst is behind us. What do you see on the charts for Yes Bank and CG Power?
Hi, good morning. We are seeing Yes Bank witnessing a rebound after making recent swing low close to around 16. The stock has reclaimed all the key averages on the daily chart. But the trend has not reversed yet. Angita, we have multiple resistances to cross. First is going to be close to around 22, then 24. Means on every 2 points uptick, there's something or the other that may restrict the upside. So shorter duration, I feel that it's prudent to stick with the PSU's name wherein we are seeing traction and some of the large cap name which have already seen correction. CG Power, on the other hand, looks definitely upbeat. Means post this consolidation range breakout, we are seeing almost a vertical rise. Technically, there could be a bit of a breather around 800 mark where the call writers are holding positions. So maybe around that area, in case if the view is short term, one can book profits. Otherwise, you can continue to stay put.
Power and Yes Bank. I hope your question was answered, Vidya. Thank you so much for joining us on the phone line. And let's get started yet again with all the questions that you have been sharing with us. This question is coming from Balakrishnan from Chennai. He says he has 550 shares of Karnataka Bank and he's sitting at a loss of over 15%. Also 100 shares of IndusInd Bank at a loss of 25%. Can I average at current price or should I sell it? Ajit, let me come to you for this. IndusInd Bank and Karnataka Bank, he's sitting at losses. Is it a good time to really average in, or what should be his strategy? Should he start cutting his losses?
So, Angita, IndusInd Bank is among the underperformer within the banking space. Though it's off late, we were seeing that some of the other private banking majors are also witnessing some profit taking. But when it comes to IndusInd Bank, there was hardly any recovery or participation in the recent rebound also. So I feel it's prudent approach to exit from the non-performers and stick to the quality names like SGFC and ICICI, which have already seen decent correction and likely to witness some bit of a consolidation before we see the recovery. For Karnataka also, we are seeing a bit of a rebound of late in line with what we are seeing in the other PSUs. So use this recovery to reduce your position because upside seems capped. We have multiple hurdle at 185 to 190 zone. So around that area, he can consider exiting his position and switching to the private banking heavyweights, which you've just named.
On the banking space, but moving on to the next query then. Sharmila, let me come to you for this one. This is Aarti Ahu.
All right. Let's get on and get a live caller now on board. Arjun from Kolkata is now joining us on the phone line. Arjun, hi, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. Tell us, what's your question?
Hi, good morning. My question is on endurance and on Idea Forge, and I want to know the critical levels. One is on the auto ancillary level and one on the defense. So just want to know the prospects of those.
Ajit, would you take that, the levels, key levels to watch out for on endurance and Idea Forge?
So Arjun, endurance is doing well, means the stock is trading at the record highs. There's marginal profit taking in today's trade, but volumes are missing. So it's just a normal correction that we are seeing. So 28.50 should now be your stop in case if the view is short term, because that's the area basically where the 20 EMA is placed. Idea Forge, on the other hand, we are not seeing any sign of decisive reversal yet. Means we need to wait for a close above 520 mark to mark that as a reversal. Then only we can see a rebound towards the previous swing high, which is around 640, 650. So as of now, you can stay put in both. For Idea Forge, your stop should be at 480.
Okay, so that's the view on Idea Forge. I hope, Arjun, your query was answered. But moving on to the next query now. This is Aparna writing from Kerala.
Okay, so moving on to the next question then. This is coming from DK Kar, who's writing in from Kolkata. He says he's a long-term investor. He wants to know about Trident. He's holding the 200 shares at a buying price of 47. He's already held it for the last 3 to 5 years. What should he do now? Ajit, let me come to you for this. He's holding at a buying price of 47 is what he's bought Trident at. So clearly he's sitting at a loss. What should he do at this juncture?
So it's been almost nearly 3 years now that the stock has been experiencing correction. Means after making a record highs, in 2022 January at 67, now is currently quoting at 30. So consolidation is more likely since the stock is still trading below its short-term averages. The near-term outlook looks negative, and for that to change for a longer duration, also the stock should surpass 35 levels decisively. Then only we can see the prices that around 45, 50 something levels which he has currently bought at. So as of now, it's a hold, but don't add to your existing position and maintain at least now stop at 25. Because below that, we may see next leg of the down move, which could further push the stock towards 15 or maybe lower.
Okay, so that's the view on Trident. But moving on to the next query, this one is coming from Mohit, who has written from Ludhiana. They have 150 shares of Apps.
All right, so that was the last stock question of the day. Sharmila and Ajit, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us and answering all the questions for us. Well, moving on to the event of